Hello there, how are you? I am here in Marsiling Park. Actually, this park before, it's called like Woodlands Town Garden. That was put out in 1983. We're here to see how it is after it was renovated since 2018. They closed it to public in 2016 for a renovation, and after 22 months, it was being renovated and opened in 2018. We wanted to see what are the developments here. Come and join me as I walk around. It's just This is the Marsiling Park legend. We are waiting for the rain to stop before we can go in and see the whole Marsiling area. Hopefully the rain will stop soon. I think the best thing to do now is to eat here while we are waiting for the rain to stop. The restaurant is called Mr. Tetari Cartel. These are the menus. I wanted to try. Their menus are like fish, fish head, crab, prawn, chicken. There's some beef, sliced fish, squid, vegetable, some omelette, green curd, soup, and others. There's some barbecue also and rice and noodles here. Seafood menu. And there's some set menus here. So it's good I think it's good to try with your families too when you go here in Marsiling Park. And I think this is the eatery that you'll go whenever you feel hungry or you wanted to eat your lunch or your dinner. This area is a ribbon-scape area. From here, you'll see enjoy comfort and ease on these seats swaying in the breeze. On the bendy benches, sit and rest and continue your walk all refreshed. Going up and down this balanced beam is not as easy as it seems. In this area, if the children will play, you need to have some adult supervision. This is the way going to mangrove area, the viewing tower, the fun play, the amphitheater, and activity plaza. Now it is around 6 p.m. and the rain has just stopped. As you see, the roads and the pathways are wet. There's some exercise facilities here. From here there's a notice like the equipment is designed for persons 13 years old and above only. Each equipment is designed for one user at a time. Please keep your body and clothing free and clear of all moving parts. Please exercise with care. is one of the playground here for kids. It's really nice. There's no people here now because it's a weekday. Here you'll see the play equipment in this area is designed for children 2 to 5 years old, and adult supervision is required. During weekends, there are a lot of people here, I think. Wow! Can you show us some? This is percussion. What are you playing? What music is that? Seeing here, the reservoir is made up of millions of water droplets like me. After treatment, the water eventually goes into our homes. To enjoy this water, let's all play our part to keep it clean. It's nice. Water for all, conserve, value, enjoy. It's a good reminder from PUB. They call it red frangipani. Distribution: Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Mexico, Nicaragua, Panama, Venezuela, and Colombia. The leaves of the red frangipani are used to tend to sores and made into soothing infusions, while its flowers and bark are used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat fever, whooping cough, and other ailments. Oh, we're seeing a crocodile, and it's near our place. Oh, it's like he's hungry. It's still there. Still there. You ready? You ready, Ali? Oh wow. Oh my God, the crocodile. There's so many crocodile here. It's getting dark now. It's around past 7 p.m. We just wanted to go to the Stone Bridge and to one Chinese pavilion there to see. Don't know that this is a very good place actually. This is one of the good park that I've been to. as Marsiling Park. Now it's called as Marsiling Park. It's really a renewed park, and it's cleaner, it's brighter, and it's family friendly. I love here. Hopefully you guys enjoy what you saw. If you are not subscribing yet in my channel, please do like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I have new uploads. Take care guys. Stay safe everyone. Bye.